Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Hassan and how are you? And welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. So, we are discussing today RTD. RTD means Resistance Temperature Detector. So, from its name we understand that it determines the temperature value through resistance. So, we will work with the temperature sensor today. Its name is Pt100 and the Pt means this show that the sensor is platinum based and the 100 means its resistance value is 100. So Pt100 are of different type. 2-wire Pt100 temperature sensor, 3-wire Pt100 temperature sensor and 4-wire Pt100 temperature sensor. So we are work today 3-wire Pt100 temperature sensor, and here is a sensor and here is a 3-terminal looks. The brown terminal is positive and the another 2 terminal is negative. So we are so the Pt100 temperature sensor check to use a multimeter with a multimeter, and we all know the multimeter is 2 terminal. This is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal. So determine the resistance on the knob of the multimeter. So look, and the multimeter positive terminal to connect the brown color terminal. So look, this is a 112 ohm resistance, and to convert it to Celsius you have to search on Google. So, and we are increase the sensor temperature. Look, the multimeter resistance value is increased now. Look, so look, the resistance value is increased now, and now the resistance value is 140 and increase now. So we are now to convert it to Celsius we have to search on Google. Now we come to the phone screen and search the Google Chrome browser to RTD calculator. Here is it, and put the value here 140 and select. So look, calculated temperature equal 103.943 degrees Celsius. So our project is 100% ready. So thank you, watch my full video.